nang magdala kung ano-anong abubot. Ano yung abubot ko dito? Ano naman yun eh? Yung pang... pare-pares lang tayo yung bigat eh. Isa power bank ko lang eh.
My friends, they complain what they bringing. They said it's so heavy.
Dapat dalawang tubig lang na ganito. Hindi pag wala ka rin dala mag-hike, hindi maganda. Kapagod ka rin, mas okay na ilagay.
Yeah, if you don't bring your abubot, your drinks you like to drink, but if you bring, you don't want to drink. Crazy thinking.
Yan, dates. Sabi ko, ito dates.
You know, I love the dates to plant.
Siyempre, kung ganyan ang yung naririnig, parang maano ka doon.
Ay ga, I remember your shoes. I have that before, Solomon. You know that is expensive. That is from Marcia. Haga, or you buy? She buy for you? Yeah. I have that before, red.
Hindi ko naman alam magkano. Regalo niya.
Mahal yan ga.
$5 pa lang
British
ginamit.
people wearing that. If she buy that, like 500 is so sell more than half. That expensive shoes, you know.
Oh, that's nice. Ito ang nice. Thank you. Ito yung nice. Muna.
Thank you ga.
Tatlo lang tong dala ko. Kunin mo na. Eh, ikaw. Hatiin natin ang yan. Okay lang. Alam ko na pa kung pinagawa mo. Okay niyo muna.
Di ba may mga tinapay tayo?
Ito tayo sa tuktok.
Hindi kasi tayo umupo dito kagaya ng mama. Yung mama, interviewin ko yan sana kasi nangilay siya sa akin. So, I think he need to be interviewed, but the woman is staring at me so cruel.
Because you don't have any mask.
Yeah.
My comment is you don't have mask.
Oh, really? No. But maybe the woman said, maybe that woman will steal my boyfriend.
Will you marry me? Sabi mo gusto interviewin.
I remember I have one.
Ano nangyari? Hindi na will you marry mo? Hindi ko nalulok.
Hoy, hindi yung nagsabi si Pangga. Ga, I remember I cannot marry him, the one that I met this morning.
Okay, well, fine. You're true love.
Because he said he's living here. Thank you, Ga.
Ay, you're true love. Sabi ng scammer na ano ko na kasi sabi, I think you are my true love. Really? Sabi ko. I feel so, sabi ko.
Where can I find true love? He's here in this stone.
Introduction, pinabasa ko kay Linda. Sabi niya, siya rin yan. Sabi ko,
Tapos lumipat naman sa akin, Ga.
yeah, do you love my dad?
Ga, hinihingian niya ko, Ga, ng pera, 200. Hoy, Inday, sabi niya, bahala daw ako kung mamatay siya ngayon sa hotel, tubig lang daw iniinom, sabi ko.
Rest in peace, my dear. Sabi ko. Ano ga? Tubig lang ginainom.
Oo, tubig na lang ipabasahin ko mamaya, sulat niya pagdating natin doon.
Sabihin mo na, nag-fasting.
Sana rin friend mo, good for you. Very good fasting.
Sige, Ga, mamaya, tudluin niyo ko.
Sabihin mo, tingnan ko lang.
You know, guys, what I'm talking about, the man, he said that he is Wedu.
Sabi niya, I want to know if you really love my dad. Nireply ko.
5 years ago.
Your dad. Ano pangalan yun? Yung ano pangalan yun? Si Chris yun.
Paul Simon.
Sabi niya, sabi ko naman. Paul Simon?
Oo.
Kita ko na yun. Sabi niya,
Singer nga, Ga.
I really love your dad. I want
I really love you
my
tonight.
life. Sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos nag-mix one ulit yung tatay. Ito naman sabi niya.
You know, guys, I have a story.
Ano ang anak ko? Sabi niya, I cannot marry.
One
Oh,
man,
sige, fine. Ang woman, sabi ko yung super duper.
one man messaged me that he get inheritance in the late wife. And then I tell him, don't message me. Can I see you in video? He said that his mobile is old.
Hindi, ako ang loko talaga. Ako talaga ang loko.
So when he get
Sa
the
pera, kumbaga yung sa pinakasa lang.
when he get the inheritance of his late wife, he want to buy the new phone. So in that case,
Wala naman pinatunguhan.
even to himself, he cannot afford to buy, just waiting for the inheritance of his wife.
Okay, let's
Oh no.
chika-chika with the past. Now, I'm so, sabi ko na sa kanya now, sabi, I'm really wise as a serpent now.
Now we are here in this to have rest.
Now, sabihin mo rin na.
To have rest today. So what I can say about Putoy is all stone. 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 And I sit like bika.
Magkain-kain na. Makasakit din ang mata.
It's one of us.
Why every time is one of us? See? Your bag is so small and then you have a lot
Kasi
of
puno
things inside.
Nang inayang ako sa sombrero ko.
Manang nangyari?
Sa McDonald's ko ata naiwan.
Balikan natin.
Hawak mo kanina.
Langga, how much you buy your
Hindi naman tayo umupo doon ka. Bakit maiwan?
Inano niya siguro kanina.
Pero doon sa inupuan natin sa wala kasi nag-ayos ako doon, pinulot ko pa nga yung mga tumalsik.
Hawak-hawak pa niya kanina. Pumunta tayo ng Mayo eh.
Ah,
Sa McDo niya, baka nung nag-ano ka ng barya. Doon sa counter. Inalagay mo doon sa may ano doon.
baka nga?
Wala na yun.
first.
Pero hanapin natin mamaya. Kung pupunta pa tayo.
First thing.
Di ba mag-aberdeen tayo? Yaan mo na.
Oo.
Pero original yun eh. Nashworth.
Hanapin natin yung tilapia sa Aberdeen.
Kahit
So, bye guys.
Tagal na yun.